Alright, so we are now at JB's Smokehouse. We went to Member Services and got our new sports bottles. They kind of look like this. And even though the park's not really crowded, there's a big line in here waiting to get food, and the kiosks aren't working. My guess is they're probably setting the kiosk up for mobile ordering, and it's a pretty huge line. And everything like that. So yeah, this is kind of a line to wait to get something to eat. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, so we should be getting our, well, we've got a ways to go before he gets his food, so it's going to take me even longer. So, but we're going to eat and enjoy ourselves. So yeah, so that's it for now. Like I said, we'll be doing an Aquaman update here pretty soon, so just stick with us and we'll be back. So this is what I got on my dining pass. I got a double cheeseburger with fries and everything. They had to write my thing down because the line was too long, and I didn't beat the deadline, but still got to use my dining pass, so thank goodness. They really need a lot more cashiers in here, but anyway, so yeah, where's my food? I got it for free, so I can't complain. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Alrighty, so this is Mad Mike. I'm back with you here at Six Flags. It's, again, not really too crowded out here, except for lunch. I mean, JB's was really crowded, even though there's not a whole lot of people out here today. And they took down the tree of trees, as you can see right there. That's no longer up, but they still got the Holiday in the Park thing up on the carousel. You can see El Diablo up there. That now you don't usually get to do this in January, so we're gonna have to duck here in a minute. So we're gonna go check Aquaman Power Wave out, see what progress has been made on that, and I love this new sports bottle. It's pretty cool. Kind of futuristic looking. There's Sci-Fi Dude number 1. Make sure to follow and subscribe on YouTube here. And the dining pass thing is closed. That's if you want to get your dining pass separate from your pass, which I wouldn't recommend doing. The sun's kind of bright, so we're going to try to walk in as much shade as we can. Superman Tower's running today. Boy, I'd hate to be those people on it. That'd be really cold. There goes Speedy Gonzales trekking across America. Only one kid's on it, I think. No, there's one more. So yeah, that's part of Bugs Bunny Boomtown there. And you got Granny's Grill open, Coaster Candy's open. This is where they had the campfires for the s'mores. Apparently you can still get s'mores during January, but none of the fires are going, so I don't see how you can do that. But anyway, maybe they Six Flags is only open until 6 o'clock tonight, so. Yeah, there's Coaster Candy. It used to be a Jelly Belly shop. But they got the poster for Aquaman right there, as you can see. Aquaman Power Wave. Studio 6F coming up. And it looks like Studio 6F is open. Yeah, pretty neat. Alright, so here we are at Aquaman. We're gonna see what we can see through there. They did have benches up here, but they took them down. They got part of it built, as you can see through there. You can see the little setup there. So they've actually come a little far on it. We may try to go down by across from the members lounge to see if we can get a really good shot of it. But yeah, they got some of this. They got some of the stuff down. Yeah, if you look through this right here, you can see part of it. If you look through this one. Try to be nice to some people. All right, so yeah, so
we can get a better look at.
Yeah, I did. Hey, did you look through? Did you look through the opening down there? Oh, there's an opening right here. So here you can see a little more of it here. All right, and that's what it looks like right now. So we'll see what else we can see, and I'm gonna try to get some still shots of this thing. So we'll see you soon. All right, so as you can see, they haven't done a whole lot, but they got some of the foundation down and everything like that. I don't know if you can see it. The sun's kind of glaring at me right here. Should be interesting. We're going to see. What we can see over here. Now, unfortunately, we can't go back to the front this way because they got this whole entire area blocked off. But there's some guys actually doing some work right down there, as you can see.
We can see that they are busy doing this ride.
So yeah,
you got a lot of work done. Still got a lot to do. They are laying a good
But,
foundation right there.
Yeah, you can.
Some bulldozers and hydraulic shovels and things.
So
dirt around and getting the base laid. Electrical systems, footers, underground piping.
Yeah, they got everything going on.
Right there.
So this is. So if we move over here, we can see. Got it going on a little bit over there.
Yeah, this used to be the side. This used to be the side of the old Aquaman.
This was the side of Splash Waterfalls, which was later converted to Aquaman. But this is going to be a totally new experience for us when this Aquaman ride comes in. It's going to be a lot of fun, and appropriately, it's right across the way from the Hall of Justice. The railroad is closed until they get this ride open. So, and then you can see pandemonium going up there. it's a fun ride, but it's a little too chilly to be riding stuff today.
You posted on the
And you can see Texas Giant over there in the background. And so yeah, once they get this whole thing built, they should have the railroad back up and running. But there's the foundation for Aquaman Power Wave. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this trip to Six Flags. I'm Mad Mike. We'll see you soon.